So, hi guys, in this video we're going to be doing a Futwiz opening. But I'm going to do it on the website because I don't want to get on pack open it on the Futwiz app. And yeah, so I opened some packs earlier. It was a failed recording with my sound. So yeah, I'm doing all the gold packs. Wait, first we're just going to do normal gold packs. She'll be a little bit back. Oh, we got the troll Pele. Well, yeah, okay. Ooh, 175k for no gold pack. Jeez. Oh, well, it's probably those two gold players. No. What? We got Robin Van Persie. Doesn't play for Man U anymore. Sorry it keeps going up like that. Come on, open. Oh, inform. Okay. Ooh, 972k. Whew. Crouch. Wow. Crouch. Ooh. Felipe Anderson. Decent. Nah. I don't know. I'm not. Alright, now we're gonna open the all red gold pack. Oh, flipping heck. I clicked all red gold. Do you know what? I hate my life. Finally. Wait, please. No FIFA. Whatever. Can't remember. Goalkeeper, could it be? Pet check for Arsenal. Anyone? What the? Load. Look, see, they're all blurry. Load. Finally, Dyer for Leicester. Julio Caesar. No, I'm joking. I don't even know how to say that. I don't even know if I say it right because I barely know. Okay, Casillas. I can't be but I can't be bothered to wait for sub. Sorry. I'm gonna not. And right. Oh, when can we get someone properly good? We got better things in the gold packs. Well, for me. Oh my god. I don't know what to say. Wow. We're gonna get oh my gosh, give me someone. Oh my god. 37 pay. Look at those stats. Well, some of them are good. Some of them aren't. Most of them are good. Okay. Oh, it crashed. Okay. Recording for a few minutes, I think. Skip. Oh god, load. Bar. Yay. Oh, but now actually no, next pack. Snyderlin, I think that was. Wait, where's my final player? Where is my final player? What the hell? Oh my god. You should get away from me. No. Okay, I can't. What the hell? Ah, my god. My foot club. No. That loaded. Sergio Busquets. I call him Sergio Biscuits. Lol, I'm joking. What the? Oh, why? No, don't. Next pack. No. Hopefully it look. Oh my god. We haven't looked at these two, but okay, I shouldn't have. I shouldn't have even went there. Oh my god. My luck sucks. The FIFA 16 are price ranges now. Still. Okay. Because I can't play it on my iPad. I might get it soon. What is it? What is it? Oh yeah, I was ending the pack opening there. So, oh my god! Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. I'll see you soon. Bye. Hi guys, I hope you enjoyed that Futwiz opening. Like if you want to see more Futwiz and comment what games you want me to play. I might do PewDiePie Legend of the Bro Fist. So yeah, leave a like, subscribe, comment, and see ya.